Hi friends! Good morning! So, liwanag because I have a ring light. I brought my ring light with me because naan muna natin yung volume ito kasi it's so... So, I brought my ring light with me kasi me and my bestie is going to color her hair and I wanted to, kasi medyo madilim dito guys, hindi masyadong kita, hindi masyadong okay yung lighting. Hindi masyadong maliwanag pala. So, I brought my ring light with me and yun, because I want to capture or to take photos or video sa hair niya in yung may magandang ilaw kasi pag dito lagi hindi nakikita yung yung color ng hair niya kasi nga bad lighting dito. So yun, you can see Rookie at the mirror. Say hi, bra. Naman gud ka dito sa dira og sa dito. What? Mura kag katungkuan katugay salida nga katong murag halom unsa to man busa katong man di katong murag katubang kuan buang crazy did yeah. You're weirdo. So yun, it's still early. I'm still waiting for my bestie. Wala pa siya dito. 9 o'clock yung namin. 9 o'clock yung namin. Appointment namin. So, yan. I'm just gonna remove my braid kasi kahapon pa the other night. Last night, the other night pa tong braid ko. And I wanted to keep my braids pero I don't know. Hindi ko alam. I wanted to keep my braid but I also wanted to remove my braids. So, yan. See you later. Hi friends, I'm here with my say hi. I'm here with my best friend.
Hello everyone.
Sharon.
So it's time for my me time, salon time with my personal hairstylist. So it's 3 months up and I'm good to go for my new hairstyle. So I'm so excited. Yes, it is. 3 months. So I'm out for my new hairstyle. I'm so excited today. Diba? Kiyat lang may amagi.
Maglagot dito sa
Sige. Alright, so it's time for our selfie before and after. Look at that. It's a colorful.
She is so blondy already, but surprisingly her hair is still so healthy.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, after all the, churba we've done to her.
Yes, of all the pools and seawater in here, so it's time to fix. She is the only
I said
doctor.
no dagat.
The only doctor for my hair, and she knows that I'm hard-headed. So good to go for 3 months, and here we go.
So here we go, guys.
Yay!
Shout out to Yvonne and Amoy.
Yay!
Where are you?
Your salon time. We need that.
See you guys. Her hair, I cannot touch it kasi ang layo ko, guys. Kasi ang phone, pag malapit, wala na. Hindi siya, hindi siya masyadong, wide lens. Kaya, that's my bestie's hair. Ayan, yung roots niya. Her roots already growing I think, mga 3 inches or so. Yeah. And that's the ends. It's not that bad considering that she'd been
The water.
in the water, in the salty water, chlorinated water, diba? So I think we're going to cut her hair first, and then not first, maybe later, and then we'll do different hairstyle or I don't know, bangs, girl,
Bangs.
and then color, and then care band. So yeah, that's her hair. So we already highlighted her hair. Balayage. I'm doing balayage style lang kasi we don't want to, damage your hair and we don't have that much time to. Kaya, yun lang. At least may dimension after we color her. Okay. Yon! Hair color. Ambot lang. Maybe we will be gonna be doing something sa roots because the root turned out to be dark. As we expected. Yan. Your roots is always mystery, cha.
Lagi, the new hairs.
Yeah. Mas gahi siya. Wow.
Yes.
We're almost there. Wa pa de. Uy, malayo pa. Are you okay pa?
Yes, I'm fine. This is it.
Tiis ganda.
Yes.
So we're done coloring Shira's hair. Oh my god.
Yay! So love it.
But hindi masyadong clear pa kasi iba talaga pag ano no, pag sa real life. But so far, yeah, we love it.
It turns out.
But the camera did not make any justice. Pero,
Made out of love.
yes, we're going to do KERATIN pa. So, see you later. Ayan na yung hair.
Yay, finally
Yay.
done.
Yeah, but
So achieved
that is
according to
perfect.
my liking.
Oh, diba? Wow, I'm so smooth with the shebang.
Back to
Diba?
my bangs
Oh.
again.
My God. It's been like pila ka hours? 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8
long
hours.
Achieved.
Yeah, pero okay lang naman. This looks more beautiful if curl, diba, no?
Yeah.
Para mas
I'll
makita
try
yung
that.
lens. Yeah, you try that, but not now. No dagat, okay?
Yeah.
No pool.
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah, kanira niya.
Later.
So, this is my best friends here. Diba, bongga?
Yay.
I really like it. I can see. Pagwapa na dila, guys.
Of course.
So guys, good night time na naman. I really enjoyed doing my bestie's hair today. We took a long time finishing her hair, but it was worth it. It was so pretty. The only problem is that the camera did not do any justice talaga sa sa hair color niya. And I was so bugged about it. I don't know why, but it turned out pretty. Super pretty. It was super great and she really loved it. So yeah, I'm so happy and I really love doing hair, guys. So yeah. And what else? Ayun pala, mag-good night na. So good night, guys. Good night, everybody. Good night, everyone. And I hope you have a great day today. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I will see you on our next video. Good night.